Welcome to Cooking and Cuisine Thursday. Are you ready to test your brain? Some say there's a fake hiding here. Do you believe them? What type of vegetarian excludes all animal products, including dairy and eggs? Correct, vegan. Which of these spices is commonly used in South Indian cuisine, particularly in dishes like sambar and rasam for its distinctive flavor and aroma? Correct, curry leaves. What cooking technique, derived from Royal Thai Cuisine, emphasizes meticulous carving and presentation of fruits and vegetables, often seen in elaborate displays? Nailed it, Thai fruit carving. Which type of Chinese dumpling is traditionally boiled and often eaten during Chinese New Year? Boom. Correct. Jiaozi. Which kitchen tool, popularized by infomercials in the late 2000s, features a spring-loaded mechanism for chopping vegetables? Nailed it, slap chop. What leafy green, often served alongside pad thai, is known for its slightly bitter flavor? That's right, Chinese broccoli, gailan. What specific type of green tea is powdered and used in the Japanese tea ceremony? Boom, correct, matcha. Which bread is traditionally baked in a tandoor oven? Nailed it, naan. Which coffee chain, known for its dark roast coffee, was founded in Berkeley, California in 1966? Correct, Peet's Coffee. What spice is derived from the dried, unripe fruit of the Piper nigrum vine? Boom, correct, black pepper. Only the smart ones follow. See you tomorrow for famous landmarks.